guys, this is Dalvinder from User Umbrella. Today we are sitting at Diamond Blossom, the project developed by Diamond Developers. It is around 2 acres of luxurious villa project with 30 villas only. First I will explain about the location, then I will explain about the project, then we'll go ahead with the floor plans, then we will talk about the price part. This is our project Diamond Blossom, which will connect you to electricity via this way. Your electricity phase 2 would be around 2.5 kilometers. If you'll go straight away and if you'll take a right from here, you will be connecting to Kurti village, which is around 4 kilometers from this place. And all the tech parks, IT tech parks like your electricity phase 2 would be around 2.5 kilometers as I said you, and your electricity phase 1 would be around 5 kilometers from this place, as well as your Sarjapur RGA tech park would be around 7 kilometers, your Wipro office is around 7.1 kilometers, your Decathlon would be around 8 kilometers from this project. Basically this is the master plan of the project. You can see this is your Huskur Road, which is an 60 feet road, and you will be having 2 entry exits. You will be having your clubhouse, your amphitheater, children's play area, all kind of amenities will be surrounded by the property. This would be your villa design. You can see this is kind of European style designed villas. In and around this property you will be finding all the greeneries like palm tree will be grown. Every greenery will be there around this entire area basically. Now I will brief you a floor plan. This is a north facing plot which is around 1186 square feet with a build up of 2395 square feet. If you enter, you have entries on east part basically. This is your ground level where you have 2 car parks. Once you enter, you will be having a foyer space. And your office space and lounge area we have given in the ground floor. If you want, you can convert into the bedroom as well. You have sitting area, lounge area, and there is a gap of 7 feet between one villa to another villa, 3.5 feet plus 3.5 feet. So this we have given one toilet in the ground floor. The reason behind this toilet is for your maid or your driver can utilize this toilets. Now let's go to the first floor. If you'll see of the first floor, we have a living area, spacious living area of 11 by 12. We have a dining section over here, and we have a kitchen with a utility. With this dining section has a covered balcony as well, 11.11 by you can say 3, and you have a bedroom over here with an attached toilet, which is 13 by 11 into 10.8. Where you have 2 more bedrooms over here. One is your children's room, which is around 11 by 10.2 with a covered balcony of 10.2 into 5.3 with attached toilet. If you'll see the master bedroom, we have a standing balcony. You can say it is around 3 into 11, and your master bedroom size is 13 by 11 into 10.8. You have a separate dressing area for this, and you have attached toilet. If we'll talk about above, you have an open terrace. You can access above as well, where we are going to give you a solar on the top. In this project we have 2 variants of villas. We can say we have 2 BHK as well as we have 3 BHKs. 2 BHK, the plot size would be around 600 square feet and the build up area would be around 1200 square feet. The price would be around 97 lakhs. We will talk about a 3 BHK. 3 BHK you can convert it to 4 BHK. The plot size would be 1161 square feet, where you will be getting a build up of 2395 square feet. The price would be somewhere around 1.8 to 1.9 CR. For any kind of queries, please contact us at below mentioned number. Please do subscribe our channel. This is Dalvinder from User Umbrella. Goodbye.